If you're using Yahoo Mail and you're tired of getting emails from the same sender over and over again, this video is going to help. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to block emails on Yahoo Mail so those messages stop bothering you. This is a simple way to clean up your inbox, reduce spam, and take control of the emails you want to see. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign in to your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, look for an email from the sender you want to block. It's important to open one of their messages first because that gives you access to the options needed to stop future emails from that address. After you open the email, look toward the top of the message window and find the More option, which is usually shown as 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open the message menu. In that drop-down list, you should see an option that says Block Sender. This is the feature that tells Yahoo Mail not to deliver future emails from that sender to your inbox. Once you click Block Sender, Yahoo Mail will usually ask you to confirm your choice. This step is important because it makes sure you really want to block that address. Go ahead and click Confirm to finish the process. As soon as you confirm it, Yahoo Mail will start blocking future emails from that sender. Now, if you're wondering what happens next, blocked emails typically won't show up in your inbox anymore. Depending on your settings, they may be sent to the spam or trash area instead. So if you don't see messages from that sender later on, that usually means the block was successful. That's really all there is to it. To recap, you open an email from the sender, click the 3 dots under More, choose Block Sender, and then click Confirm. In just a few seconds, you can stop unwanted messages and make your Yahoo Mail inbox a lot more manageable. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.